Welcome. What's up, guys? I just wanted to talk a little bit about healthcare prices. Anybody else totally freaked out? I haven't even had a chance to look at it, but I'm going to tell you what I've been told by my friends who already have marketplace insurance, that it is through the roof. Most people's prices have quadrupled. Please explain to me how anybody on earth here can afford $1,800 a month or more for health insurance. Is that not a mortgage? I'm sorry, but that's like a really greatly priced mortgage, if you ask me. That's insane. Almost $2,000 a month to maintain your health insurance. And that's with a $20,000 deductible, guys. How on earth did we get to this point where health insurance is going to cost the average person over $20,000 a year? Is this some giant push to make, health insurance, the socialized medicine? Is that what this is? Is that the push that they're going for? I mean, I don't understand how anybody's going to be able to afford that. I know people right now are already having trouble with rent, okay? Rents are going up. Home prices going up. There's no crash. There's no housing crash, guys. I haven't seen it. Some prices being lowered. It is a buyer's market. You might be able to knock 10 grand off the price, but that's about it, guys. So please explain to me how anybody's going to pay their rent and their health insurance. So if you've got health problems and you need health insurance, I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you and your family, because I don't know how you're going to make it. And I'm praying for myself to stay healthy, because I don't know how I'm going to make it either. How are we going to afford this health care? How is anybody going to afford this health care? I'm losing my mind over this. $1,800 a month or more. This is not cool, guys. This is insanity. Pure insanity, okay? We're already having trouble with the rents and the mortgages. Food costs are through the roof. It's unaffordable to eat. Restaurants are feeling it. There isn't as much traffic in a restaurant. You know why? Because you can't barely afford stuff in a grocery store. How can you afford anything in a restaurant? So, okay, we got food costs, we got rent costs, so housing and food way up. Well, then we're going to add health insurance. You've got to be kidding me, guys. I am losing my mind. The average person cannot afford this. Healthcare shouldn't cost you half your salary. At this point, we're better off just going to the clinic. So it's people that really need all the time care. Those are the people, you got to go to the doctor all the time. You're the people that are going to be hurting. And I feel so bad for you. I'm praying for your family. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I don't know how you guys are going to do it. Everybody's going to need 3 jobs at some point. I don't know how this is possible. They're printing more money. This doesn't make sense, guys. It's not sustainable for this runaway train to continue. It's just not. If we got to pay over 20 grand a year just to go to the doctor to get your health work done, to get the prescription you need or whatever, let's say, you have a prescription you take every month. You've got to go to doctor's appointments to keep that prescription. They got to check you. So you're going to need to go to the doctor at least 3-4 times a year, right? To maintain those prescriptions. And the prescriptions ain't covered. So how on earth is anybody going to afford this? How? Please tell me. I'm about to start printing money at my own house. I don't even know what to do. I don't know how we're going to make it. I'm going to start printing money at my house and just hand it out. It's monopoly money, but you know what? Try your luck. It's probably cheaper to go to jail for, making your own money than it is to go pay for health insurance. So this is crazy, guys. I don't understand what's going to happen. People that are having children, people that have, prescriptions that they need to maintain, people that need regular checkups. Gosh forbid if you ever have anything, like a detrimental chronic disease or anything like that, you got to go all the time. This is not sustainable, guys. I can't believe it. I opened my Facebook this morning. People freaking out about the prices of the healthcare. I haven't even had a chance to look at it. And I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't had health insurance since my first child was born 17 years ago. Okay? So 17 years ago, I had health insurance, and it was unaffordable then. And I'll tell you what, it was only $400 a month, not $1,800. So I just don't get it. Can't afford to live, can't afford to die. That's where we're at now, guys. We can't afford to live, we can't afford to die. The only thing you can afford to do these days is work. And even that isn't going to be enough, okay? Shit's going to hit the fan. It's not going to be enough. Let's get real, okay? Everything's going up. Everything's going up. The jobs are getting more and more scarce, okay? This couldn't have come at a worse time. Like the job market being so scarce, AI coming on the scene, and then all these prices going through the roof. But I'm telling you, like, why is this happening right now? Why is healthcare going up right now? Why is this happening? How are we going to survive this? I don't get it. I think it's about time these pharmaceutical companies start kicking in some money, okay? You're like billion-dollar companies, and you've got billions and billions of dollars. Subsidize some stuff. Subsidize, okay? Like, stop charging people an arm and a leg for medicine that they need. This is insane, guys. I can't even believe where I'm at right now. I don't even understand this world right now. I don't understand what's going on. What if you have a child who's sick and you can't even go to work? Like, I don't know how anybody's going to survive this. If you guys are having a hard time, do me a favor, leave a comment so that I can chat with you about it. I'm very curious how people are surviving right now. Like, how are you making ends meet? What is your plan? What's your backup plan? Okay? I'm trying to invest money because I never did. And it was like, you know, I never had a retirement until about 5 years ago. I recently started. And I'm nervous right now that it might all get eaten up if I have some kind of health issue. And then what are my kids going to do with me? Push me off the cliff? You know what I mean? What are my kids going to do with me? I don't want them to go broke trying to save my life. I'm lost on this, guys. This is so messed up that people have to choose healthcare, rent, or food. I never thought I would see this happen. I never thought we'd get here. I can't even believe it, guys. And the food stamps aren't back. I have no clue where this is going, how it's happening, and why. Like, I don't understand how we got here. Guys, I hate to leave a video like this, but I just don't even know what else to say. It's just insane.